Good evening, everybody. Hope everybody is well today. So as you can see, we're in a totally different environment. We're actually in one of the cottages in our house. We've rented out our house and we're staying in this cottage for the next week. So we'll see how many videos we do from here. But we like to keep it changed up in here. So basically, tonight's salad, pretty simple. We've got some Kaiser chops, which we're basically going to just pan fry off, getting the pan nice and hot as we speak. We're going to cut those up into little pieces, and that's going to basically go in our salad. We've got a salad of baby greens and some spinach, and then on top of that is going to go some tomato, some red pepper, fresh, with a bit of feta cheese, salad dressing of olive oil, and some apple cider vinegar. And yeah, we'll see how that turns out. Pretty simple, pretty basic stuff. Okay, so I'm just getting that pan nice and hot. I'm going to chop up some of the tomato, chop up the red pepper. That's going to go in nice and fresh into the salad here. Probably put a bit of chili flakes on. If you want to know, leave a comment below what my very, very basic spice / condiment mix is. Like, you don't need to buy a ton of stuff. There's only a few things that I use a lot of. But yeah, I'll happily share that. Just let me know what you want to hear. Yeah, it's not much else. It's just kind of moving along. Okay, so we're back now. So we are basically getting the Kassler steaks. They're going to be flipped in a little bit. I'm putting 2 of the tomato pieces in there with the steaks. Get them nice and juicy. Get up all of the stuff that's there in the pan. The other 2 pieces of tomato are in the salad, and the red peppers are in the salad itself already. I put some feta cheese. It's a simple salad. We're not doing anything crazy. This is a simple dinner. This is how we do it in this house, in this cottage today. Don't know what happened here. I don't know who this is. We just had our first show day, which is very cool. Basically showed the house that we built to people on the day. It was fun. And we had like maybe 4 people. We had 4 people who we could definitely be friends with, and I think out of those 4 people, like 2 or 3 of them might be able to buy the house as well.
Certainly.
It is kind of exciting. Ooh, that is exciting. Where this is a winner. We're going to win here. This is going to be good. So I've taken the Kaisers out. That has now been sliced up. That is going to go on top of the salad. I think this is kind of a testament to taking just a delicious piece of food and turning it into a salad, putting it on a bed of lettuce, adding some fresh vegetables, turning it into a healthy meal. Ooh, that is exciting. That's going back onto the plate that those guys were in. That's getting mixed up. Awesomeness. And then I've got these 4 slices of tomato, which have now been charred and have just turned into themselves pieces of deliciousness. And that, my friends, is that. I hope you have enjoyed this episode, like all episodes. Leave some comments, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, tell your friends, share if you want, and we'll see you all